still on the matter on Street Chance on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, my name is MC Shaggy. This time, not the same question. They carry enter street. I want to do some kind of funny thing now. Now joke I do, now joke I do. But I want funny thing I want to do now. Very what funny concept. Just watch me now. Watch me. Watch me. Hey, Alpha. Good afternoon. Wazobia, I don't say you know the make call. You just the phone like say you
no, I'm on call now.
I lie. What am first? Put up. Alpha, how you there?
I'm good.
Also, what will be your name?
Regina.
Yeah, get what I define. Get what I define.
What?
I like you.
Thank you.
How you go be now?
As
I forget your number.
No.
Why?
Because I don't know you.
You know me?
Yes.
You don't know me?
Yeah.
MC Shaggy?
No, I don't know
You don't know me?
Yeah.
Myself, I don't know you.
Okay.
Alright, still at the matter. So what you did there? Get what I define. You don't see the national budget.
No, I haven't.
Then they look for them for house of myself. I don't know what I did with you.
No.
You don't do with you?
Yes.
Because they say, make I have the final for Bariga. Yes, sir. So what will be your name again?
Regina.
Virginia.
Gina.
Gina. From Unilag, Abi. Where?
Nabate.
Yabate. You don't lie, that lie. You don't be in good school. Alright, so no matter of Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Madam, have fun, how you doing? Oh, but at this stage, you still fresh like this. God punish devil. You don't go better for devil. Anything I go make you not shine. Holy Ghost.
Fire.
But I get what you when the loss at the final beg. I don't know whether now your hand it is.
No, not the man.
Yeah, check your pulse.
No, not the.
You sure? Check your scarf.
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Check this man, whether we deal with this man. This man will carry all the days net. Wait, all of Nigeria wear net. Una know they sleep, wake up. So, madam, I dey look for something.
What?
You know say our national budget dey lost. You dey with you?
I'm not there with you.
You sure? Go check your pulse whether
No, no check my pulse.
No, dey abi. Madam, na you hold the national budget. All right, just let the matter straight as Wazobia TV. Madam, how far? How you dey?
I dey wait.
Come, now they wait for since. Now they wait. Come. Now they wait for. How far? How na dey? Come. How you dey? Madam, answer me now. Okay, blind so this one they not sabi talk. They be deaf and dumb. Babe, how far are you dey? Come. Wait you put inside. But people no want show me where the national budget dey. Now this one go carry the national budget. This one go carry our budget 2016. Madam, not be you. Madam, wait. You get what I define. How is baby?
Baby is good.
How is everything?
Everything is
what will be
okay.
your experience for this year? Madam, cool down. Madam, what I will buy for you? Go drink anything?
No.
Cool down. You get what I dey look for? Okay. 2016 national budget they miss for National Assembly. More look whether it is inside this bag.
No, it's not.
No. You know they.
It's Asoro.
More check. No,
it's in Asoro.
You know it dey. No. Where it dey?
Asoro.
Why that thing go dey miss now?
I don't know. It's government. It's in the hand of the government.
We'll see if they find out.
Okay.
So we decide to follow them and find out. Madam, not run.
I don't
Not run.
No, you don't say everything.
Baby, how are you? Do me you. Ross, Alpha. Ross, good afternoon. Alpha, come.
Okay.
Come, now I want to talk to. Ross, good afternoon. Alpha, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Now, Wazobia TV be this.
Okay.
Get what I dey look for. My brother, if you hear me clear small. You get what I dey find. Come from small, bros. God go bless you.
Yeah.
Now your shop be this, abi?
No, my shop. I just come to buy something. Yeah.
No fear. I believe you. Take the bar. Go like if yeah. God punish you with them mad. Devil don't wear for where you dey. As you dey like this, bros, you get what I dey find.
Okay.
I don't look for everywhere, and they don't do the announcement say the thing lost.
Wetin be that one?
You hold the Nigerian national budget.
No.
The budget for this.
No, I know who am.
You know hold on.
I know hold am.
You know the
You know dey my pocket. You know dey my pocket.
The budget too.
The budget. The budget no dey my pocket.
Budget for Nigeria.
No. I don't know about it.
Lost is missing now.
Who miss it? How can we miss it?
all the people that ruling Nigeria, I don't know what they are doing. In fact, they are cheating us by telling us to vote for them. We have already voted for them. Things become worse. We can never have money to buy. Take 20,000 naira, go to the market. You cannot buy something that will benefit a family. Please, I want Baba to help us to make Nigeria better. Huh?
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Still on Matter Street Chance on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy. Alpha, how you dey? Good down.
I'm fine.
Oh, Laura, sir. Oh, Laura, sir. Beke there. Still on the matter. Beke. Why I say? Beke. Ross, come. Come. All right. Back it up. Still on the Matter Street Chance on Wazobia TV. All right. Why I say? Hey, why I say?
No problem.
Well, you get what I define. What do you? You get what I define. And the thing lost for National Assembly. Our Nigeria budget.
That is it.
I say they.
Who lost it now? From the hand of which person?
Okay. Budget be this.
Yeah.
National budget. Okay. At last, we see Nigeria national budget. Come. This is our budget. Come. Nigerians are so funny. Nigerians, they are too funny. No, this the shots. Laugh the whole me. Nigerians are too funny. Oh my God. All right, so on Matter Street Chance on Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy. Wazobia TV. Follow me on Instagram at MC Shaggy. At MC Shaggy. At MC Shaggy. Still on the Matter Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Becky there. See the person who the national budget. How far?
Can I pass it?
Excuse me, wait. Answer me, please. Answer me, please.
See, I don't like this.
Excuse me, answer me, please. Answer me. You must like it. Oh my God. Today, you must answer me. Excuse me. All right, Oga, as you then I get what I look for, abeg.
What are you looking for?
I hear say the thing there. The national, our national budget, Nigeria budget, 2016.
Well, that one doesn't concern me. I don't know anything about budget anyway.
Yes, say dey your shop now.
I get my shop because things is not going normal. So how can I talk of budget? When things is going normal, then I will talk of budget.
They say our budget dey lost dey your shop.
If they lost, you know them inside my shop.
Where you come dey?
Even if I go market sef, they will seize my market.
Which kind market you dey sell?
I dey sell turkey, I dey sell chicken, fish. So when I go market, they will seize my market.
Which people dey seize am?
Government now. So this is not going normal. Market is not moving. If it is before, when you come here, you will see people rushing. But now, nobody, because there are no market. This is not going normal. So when the budget, if the budget well and things start going normal.
No, they don't budget well, but they say the budget they lost for House of Assembly.
How is it losing? It is from government now. They know themselves.
No, check your fridge.
It is from themselves that you know, all the government, all of them are the same thing. So they know themselves. So they know what they are doing.
Okay.
Budget is losing. How can budget miss? Let the budget.
Alpha. Madam, where we fit sell for your shop?
See what?
The budget.
No see budget, so nothing. Everywhere dry. No market, no anything.
All right, so let the Matter Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Back it there. Why you say? Big power, yo. Allah. All right, if you watch me live, my name remains MC Shaggy. Remain blessed. Back it. Why you say? Back it.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.